All right, talking low kicks today. I'm going to keep this video brief. Let me first by explaining, all these high kicks and these acrobatic martial arts that we see on TV, on YouTube. That style is a fairly new style of martial arts. It's more for flash competition, stuntmen in Hollywood sort of stuff. That's all well and good, but I'm a traditionalist. I like traditions, but we really don't focus on kicks below the belt because, competition, you can't kick below the belt. In a lot of competitions, you have to keep it belt high or higher. But I'm going self-defense stuff, okay? Like I was saying before, if you watched any of my other videos, self-defense is there's really no rules in self-defense. Learn some techniques, front kicks, elbows, knife hand strikes, proper techniques. And then if you ever need them out on the street, they should work for you if you have a good instruction and you work at the techniques a little bit and you get them kind of in your your muscle memory. But same thing with kicks. Now, if you guys are in studios and you are working, competition, then go ahead and just watch for, pleasure. Really don't take this too serious, but this will work in a self-defense situation. And so, first off, I'm going to drag the big wave master out here, and I'm going to work on a round kick first. I haven't taught this yet on my channel, but I'm just going to give you a brief rundown, so we're not going to hurt ourselves as we do this drill. Okay, so we're going below the belt. So if you look here, our target is about within the knee and about let's say about 3 inches up to the knee and then 3 inches down to the knee. So our target is going to be pretty much that knee part with the round kick part. Now, if you looked at my pivot video, you know that we're going to need to pivot, and this is going to be the most aggressive pivot that we do for kicks. Okay, so look at my my left foot, which is going to be your right foot in the screen, but my left foot, it's going to turn completely around. Okay, so if you look at my back is facing you guys, but I'm going to be turning and finishing towards you. Okay, so and you want to spin on the ball of your foot, not your heel. Spin on the ball of your foot and then come around and then kick. Okay. Okay, so now number 2, we're going to have that nice tight chamber, okay? So make sure that that heel is up to our rear, tight chamber, kick, and then re-chamber, and then down, okay? This is the proper way of a kick, but when you're coming around, you want to point that knee to your target. If you're wanting it low to your attacker's knee, then your knee is going to be aiming at that knee, and then all you're going to do is just let your knee kind of fling out and then strike the knee, and it should hit the target. Okay, so here, knee comes up, comes around, and then you're going to kick, and that should hit the target. Okay, hope it got it good on camera. Okay, now, secondly, the point of contact. Okay, with the self-defense situation, most of us are going to be have shoes on, so we're not going to be barefoot like we do in class. But we want to hit with the top of the foot. Okay, so we want to make sure those toes are straight. We point the foot as much as we can. We turn the body so our hips are completely open, and we get that good solid hit on the top of our foot. And our target is about below the toes, top of the foot, and almost your whole shin. Okay, that's going to be the point where you're going to hit your target. Okay, now with the shoes, uh, um, ladies, if you do have high heels on, just make sure that you work with the ball of your foot. Okay, so if you need to take your shoes off, if you don't have any straps or ties on your heels, go ahead. I would just take your heels off and go to work if you need to go to work with that. But I would say that would probably be the best. If you can't take your shoes off quick enough, then make sure you just kind of are on the balls of your feet so you can actually have some good stability. Okay, so really that's it with the low kicks. Really not too difficult with that. We're just going, below the belt. Now, I'm going to touch on something real quick with you guys. Okay, so if someone is punching, coming in for a punch, this big sloppy haymaker that they usually do. Okay, now look at what I'm doing with my feet. Okay, my one foot is in front of the other. Okay, this is the key thing because remember, if you looked at my self-defense bully video, my last one, you get a good peripheral vision of everything when you look at the chest or in the middle of your attacker. You can get a good big picture of everything. And when you see that foot coming in, what you can do is you can actually lean back a little bit, and you can still clip that front leg inside or outside. Okay, so it really doesn't matter. You can clip someone this way, knock their knee out from this way, or you can knock their knee in from either direction. And the bigger they are, the harder they will fall. And all you got to do is one kick, boom, just sit back and just let them drop. Because they're not used to balancing on one foot, pretty much. They'll come in, step into you for a strike or whatever. They have the bottom of their legs totally open, and you can just take totally advantage of that with those low kicks, with that low round kick, and pretty much let them just do the fall, and you don't have to do anything with them. Okay, so we can do this with a side kick. If you looked at my side kick videos, if you have that, Taekwondo sparring stance where you're here, you can check their knee this way, bam, okay, and lock them from inside here. So same thing, if that knee comes up, boom, just check them. You can stay away from them better. You can hit their belt level hips. You can check them there, knees, and then if you do have a higher kick, yeah, everything else is just pretty much open for you as well. So you can do a side kick as well, and then a front kick too works. So you can come in, whatever foot you're on, it doesn't matter. That foot comes in, you can just kick their knee. Same thing. The target is a little bit smaller when it comes to that. You're going to have much more pinpoint accuracy if you want to get that front kick right, but it can still work with the front kick as well. Okay, so 3 kicks, all low to the knee, just different areas, inside, outside, front, and and then just get away, run, turn, run away, and you should be good to go. Okay, if you made it this far, go ahead, like and subscribe. If you have any questions at all, put them down in the links below. Till next time, train hard, train smart. See you then.